At Fort Digital, we've created a simple yet powerful emergency broadcast system, an all-in-one solution for sending alerts via SMS, email, voice call, and WhatsApp. The goal is to make urgent communication as quick and efficient as possible. You can predefine groups, such as parents, staff, or bus operators, and prepare message templates ahead of time for situations like lockdown alerts, weather warnings, or system outages. When it's time to send a broadcast, it takes less than 5 seconds. Just select the group, choose a template, and hit send. That's it. Best of all, you can broadcast messages from anywhere in the world. The system doesn't depend on your SIM card or mobile plan. All you need is an internet connection. Whether you're in Singapore or overseas, in an elevator, by the pool, or at a restaurant, you can send urgent messages without worrying about location or telco restrictions. Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the Fort Digital Emergency Broadcast app using a test account. Let's begin by logging in. After entering your username and password, the app will prompt you to set a login PIN if it's your first time. For example, I'll set mine to 1234 and confirm it. Going forward, just enter this PIN to log in quickly and securely. Once logged in, you'll land on the home screen. Here, you can view your available SMS and WhatsApp credits. If your balance is low, tap on the credit area. You'll see multiple options to top up. Call us, send an email, reach out via WhatsApp, or top up online through our website. Now, let's create some contact groups. Tap Groups to begin. You can create as many groups as you like. For example, I'll create one called ABC and another called 123. You can edit or delete these groups anytime. Tapping a group shows the contacts linked to it. Next, let's add some contacts. Go to the Contacts tab. You'll see the group selection at the top. To add contacts, you have a few options. You can type them manually, copy and paste, or import directly from your phone's address book. In this example, I'll demonstrate how to import from the address book. After granting permission, you'll be able to select contacts from your phone. I'll select 5 numbers for this demonstration. The email field is optional, and for now, I'll leave it empty. After selecting the contacts, tap Add to Final List. The app automatically checks the numbers. Even though I'm using Malaysian numbers in this example, the system handles formatting for you. Once confirmed, tap Save Contact to store them in the selected group. Now you'll see that the contacts have been added under Group ABC, with the email field empty. Let's add contacts to the second group, 123. Again, I'll select 5 contacts from the address book, and this time I'll manually input their email addresses just for testing purposes. You'll see that all 5 mobile numbers, names, and email addresses are entered correctly. Tap Add to Final List, then Save Contact. You'll now see those contacts saved with both phone numbers and emails, and this time they belong to both ABC and 123 groups. Now let's look at templates. Templates are extremely useful for speeding up broadcasts. For example, I'll create an SMS template. Since it's an SMS, the subject is not required. I'll type the message, "Hello, how are you today?" and save the template. It's now ready to use. You can also edit or delete templates anytime. Next, I'll create a template for an email broadcast. This time, I'll include a subject, such as Notice. Tomorrow will be a holiday, and enter the message content. Once saved, the subject will appear alongside the message content in your template list. Please note, the system follows GSM standards for SMS content. If you use Unicode characters like emojis or special symbols, they will count differently in credit usage, so always double-check your message above the input box. Now, let's move on to broadcasting. Starting with SMS, you'll see the sender ID field at the top. Select the group you want to send to, for example, ABC, and then select your SMS template. Once ready, tap Send. A summary will appear showing the total contacts, credit per message, and total credit required. Enter your PIN to verify and confirm the send. The message will be broadcasted immediately. For email broadcasts, the process is very similar. Select your sender ID, choose the group, for example, 123, and you'll see the imported email addresses and names. Then select the email template you created earlier. The subject and message will autofill. Once you're ready, tap Send, review the summary, enter your PIN, and your email will be sent. Next is the voice call broadcast. You'll be calling from your registered phone number. Again, select the group, choose your voice call template, and tap Start Call. A summary will show total contacts, credit per message, and the credit needed. Once you enter your PIN and confirm, the voice calls will be triggered to all selected contacts. Now let's look at WhatsApp broadcasts. The messages will be sent from a verified WhatsApp number. Select your group, and for example, a phone number group, and choose a pre-approved WhatsApp template. You'll see various details like the template name, type, pricing, media type, and variables. Fill in the variables such as sender name and recipient name. For example, from Peter and Dear Joseph. Once done, add it to the final list. You'll see each contact matched with the correct variable content. Tap Send, verify the total number of recipients, and confirm the broadcast. Finally, let's check the logs. Here, you'll see summaries of all the jobs, SMS, email, voice call, and WhatsApp, with timestamps and status. Each entry shows whether the message was sent, failed, or is still pending, along with details like type, sender, and time range. Under Settings, you can change the default country code. If you're using the app in a country other than Singapore, simply update the code here. You can also change your login PIN anytime for added security. And that's it. That's a full walkthrough of the Fort Digital Emergency Broadcast app. It's a fast, reliable, and flexible tool to help you send urgent messages through multiple channels, all in one place.